Hello friends, how are you? Now I want to show you how to wash your clothes in the washing machine. Especially I will teach you about the manual, not about the automatically. This automatic machine is very easy. Only one time you can put. After then you will get the dry. It will be automatically wash, rinse and dry for the automatic machine, but for the manual machine you have little bit difference. Suppose now I am showing to you the one machine, washing machine. This is the manual. We call that one the manual. This one is manual because of there is the one side for the wash and rinse, another one side for the dry. This is the water line. Now I am refilling the water, and I put inside already clothes. You can put inside clothes before or after refill the water, whatever you like. The water should be the perfect how many clothes you can wash inside is suitable. You have to choose, you have to understand about the perfect water. This is enough or no. So I think this one is enough for me. So now this, to follow the standard, after finish water you have to close the water line. After then this is the button. Now you can, this machine is start 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes. So I'll give this one 15 minutes. This 15 minutes always will be wash until not is finished. After 15 minutes it will be automatically stop, and this is the side. Rounding, after rounding this will become 0. 15 minutes finished and machine will be automatically stop. After then this is the normal mode, this is the soft mode, normal mode. Okay, and if you put the drain, all water will go there by the water line. So I need this water, no need to throw now. And this is the button for the making your cloth dry. This is the two part for the dry. When I will start the dry, I should, of course, after finish my clothes, I will make one time more rinse. Okay, after make it rinse, remove the clothes, remove this clothes from there to there. I change, throw the water and bring clothes this side. After then close this one and close this cover also. If you do not close, it's not will be stirred. So there is also same like minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. If you put here, you will found this one is, I can understand, but I cannot show you this one because if I open the door, it will automatically stop. See, now stop. If I close, it will, this motor will be rounding very speed, this one, because this one for the cloth dryer. So it's very easy to wash in your cloth in the manual machine. For the automatically machine, only one time put inside with washing powder or whatever, it will be automatically dry, wash, rinse and dry. So today only for this for you, all of my friends. If you like this video, you can subscribe or you can like, you can make your comments. If you want to know anything more, I will try to give you in my next video. You can write in your comments which kinds of machines or whatever you want to know. I will show you in my next video. Thank you.